how can you define an entity? Now I do tell you about the entity in detail. My dear, an entity can be a thing, an entity can be a person, an entity can be a place, an entity can be a concept over there in the real world. My dear,
Sir,
mobile,
house,
TV,
computers,
car,
laptop.
bicycle, motorbike, aeroplane, helicopter. These are the things over there. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And we call these things, these are the entities in the real world. All right, my dear? As I have told you, an entity can be a person over there. Mr. Behzad, you are being over there as a student. You are a person over here, and you are representing an entity over here. You are a person, and you are a student as well over there. All right, my dear?
Yes, sir.
In the same way, an entity can be a place or an entity can be a concept. A course that you are being taught right now is the object-oriented programming. Yes, my dear? And
Yes,
this
sir.
subject or the concept has become what your entity. Are you getting, my dear?
Yes, sir.
The example of the person entity can be the employee, teacher, student, administrator, manager. Now, I do tell you more about the entity, my dear. An entity must have some properties or attributes in the real world. All right. And an entity must have some states or behaviors. My dear, and to make you understand about the properties or attributes of an entity and the states or behavior of an entity, I do tell you, my dear Behzad, a person can have some attributes or properties like name, height, nationality, religion, etc. Yes, Mr. Behzad,
Yes, sir.
you are being a person over there. You can have some properties or attributes. Okay, say your name, your height, your nationality, your religion become your attributes or properties for being a person. All right, my dear?
Yes, sir.
And to get understanding of the states or behavior, I do tell you, Mr. Behzad, that a person can have some states or behaviors like eating, sitting, running, walking, talking, etc. Mr. Behzad, you are
Yes, sir.
being a person over here. You can have some states or behaviors that you eat, that you sit, you run, you walk, you talk, you sleep, you read, you write. All of these things are known as the states or behaviors of you as being a person over there. All right, my dear? Did
Yes,
you
sir.
get Mr. Behzad?
Yes, sir.